In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Lovable AI app from looking bad. The aesthetics of an app play a crucial role in user experience, so let's make sure yours showcases its full potential. To start, navigate over to Lovable. Once you're there, you'll want to open up the specific project you wish to enhance. It's always best to have a project in mind before you dive into making changes. That way you can keep a focused approach. Now that your project is open, the first thing we need to examine is your layout settings. Check every element to see if each component is fitting together seamlessly. The layout not only needs to be visually appealing, but also functional. A good tip here is to ensure your designs align properly and are consistently spaced. This makes the user interface neat and tidy. Next, let's update your color scheme. This step is particularly important because colors can evoke different emotions and reactions from the user. Make sure the colors you choose complement each other and reflect your app's theme or mood. Use contrasting shades to make important elements stand out, yet stick to a harmonious palette. Using high-quality images is our following step. Blurry or pixelated visuals can undermine the professionalism of your app. Opt for crisp, clear images that are illustrative of your content. This will enhance user engagement and overall satisfaction. So consider upgrading any visuals that fall short. Then we turn our attention to fonts. Cleaning up your fonts is essential for readability. Choose a font that's easy on the eyes and ensure your font sizes are consistent throughout. It's generally a good practice to limit yourself to just a few font types to avoid a chaotic look. Moving on, it's time to remove any unnecessary elements. This involves eliminating clutter that doesn't add value to the user's experience. Keeping things simple and focused allows your audience to navigate your app without distractions and cuts down on cognitive load. An essential step is to try your app on different devices. This ensures that everything you've done looks great across all platforms, whether it's a phone, tablet, or desktop. Compatibility is a mark of a well-designed application, so test rigorously across different screen sizes and orientations. Finally, remember to save all your changes. It might sound trivial, but ensuring every adjustment you've made is saved can prevent the loss of those hard-earned improvements. Regularly saving throughout your editing process is a smart way to safeguard your progress. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Lovable AI app will not only function well, but will also look fantastic. These adjustments can dramatically elevate the user experience, making your app both visually and functionally excellent. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.